on. Really? Dadgummit. Send it back. Garbage. Wait! Stickers. The best part. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are doing a comfort upgrade to the bike. Let me talk about it. Alright, as many of you have probably already seen the previous video we did on the seat upgrade when we first bought this bike. Because this is not the stock seat that comes with the 24s. That stock seat is kind of comfortable, but it put me too far forward. So I went with this seat, which is a Harley seat. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll put it on the screen right here when I'm editing this video. But it is a solo and a 2-up. You can remove this section and just run solo if you want to. But for long trips, this thing is not comfortable. It's good reach because I'm 6'4" and it works really good, but it's just no comfort in that seat, especially on a long trip. So hopefully that's going to fix the problem. But alright guys, as you can probably already tell from the thumbnail, this is a seat upgrade for the bike. This time we went with Saddlemen. We checked out their website. They have a lot of custom options you can do, like the thread color. You can do different colors of the emblems, a bunch of different things. So we went, like I said, we didn't go with that. But I will open it up here and show you. It was supposed to have been here like 4 days ago, but UPS had some kind of weather delay and just now showing up. First time I'm seeing it with you guys. Alright, put that pesky zip tie out of the way. I can already see it looks freaking amazing. Oh. Wowza. Well, this is the Saddlemen Road Sofa carbon fiber in extended reach. So when you go to order it, it'll say CF EXT. That's extended reach carbon fiber. They have this carbon fiber option and then a diamond stitched pattern. I wasn't really a fan of that, but this does not have the option for the driver backrest, but it does have that new gel memory foam stuff they put in there now. And we did go with the gold stitch and the gold emblem to match the gold stitching on our lid covers from Surefire Design. Let's see, the quality seems tip-top. It looks like they did like a little relief right here for the bag guards, which is pretty cool. It says it will not work with them, but they will work with them. Now, I will say you have to wait just a little bit longer because they are handmade to order, like I said. But the communication is top-notch. They'll give you an email when they're on every step of the process. There's probably 4 or 5 steps, and the last step is shipping, of course. And it took about a week to get here, week and a half. Now it's Monday. It was supposed to be here Friday, so. But like I said, we was fine with that seat for right now. But me and the wife took a ride, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago now, and it was painful. It was not very comfortable, especially for her, because that little seat has no padding in it. But like I said, that seat's really good for pumping around town, bar hopping, if that's your thing. Not our thing, but hopefully this seat here will be a lot more comfortable. Well, I'm gonna sit on this seat and kind of see where this comes up to, see where I'm lined up at, and I'll show you guys. And then we'll put this one on, and then we'll show you the difference. There's one thing I have to do is the bracket on the back of this, right there. I have to take it off, flip it around, and put it back on. So I got a couple tools. We'll do that real quick. Like I said, we'll set you up and I'll show you the sitting on this seat and see where the comparison between the two seats. You know what I mean. All right, so this seat, I am right up on the bottom of the tank, as far back as I can go. And booty cheeks are right near the lids of the bags. So hopefully this one will kind of sit back just a little bit further. So we're gonna switch that bracket around, then we'll change the seats out. I'm not gonna show you how to change the seat, because on a Harley you should know how to change the seat. Be right back. All right, so getting the seat swapped over is easy as snapping your fingers. All right, there you go. The Road Sofa carbon fiber, the first sit. Wow. I am really far back. That is, my legs are almost stretched out. I can almost stretch out now. That is comfy. And I'm up a lot farther, like a lot further. But I guess it'll take time to break in, of course. Earlier, I was all the way up front, like on this part. But now it's way back. Huh. It's pretty comfy. It's the gel foam stuff. And it's got some support there on your backside, where that kind of piece steps up and then goes to the passenger pillion. I said it'll take some time to get used to it. I don't know if the windshield's gonna be tall enough now, because I am up even further. Huh. So we'll see. There's earlier, as in the first part of this video, you can see where my head was down further, but now it's up higher. And all right, there we go. The Saddlemen Road Sofa on a 24 Road Glide. That was pretty good. It actually kind of lines up with my lines going down the bag lids and everything. And now it does come with a little washer to get underneath that back part, but I have my thrashing supply stuff on there. I guess I ought to get a lock for that so nobody walks off with my seat. Kind of ties off the whole look of the bike with the gold stitching on the seat and everything. It really matches really well. Now, they said they were going to come up with a revision for how to deal with the saddlebag guards that people have, but I mean, it fits just fine. And actually, like I said, there was a relief right here. It comes up and over, that's cut into the plastic mold. So maybe that's the new revision. Seems to work great, but yeah, it'll take a little bit while to get broke in, but it's super comfy. And like I said, I know it's really comfortable, you know, for just opening out of the box, but I will come back and I ride a pretty good bit. So I'll come back and do a 1,000-mile review. Whenever I hit 1,000 miles, I'll set a trip mile. I will set a trip odometer. When I hit 1,000 miles, we'll come back and do an update video on the Saddlemen Road Sofa to give you my thoughts and my booty thoughts on 1,000 miles on this seat. But first off, for first impressions, super comfy, super nice. The craftsmanship is top notch. It's really good. I like it. If you like this video, get down there, hit the like and subscribe for us. I will leave a link in the description for the seat and to Saddlemen's website, so you guys can go check them out if you want something on your Harley Davidson. They make stuff for everything, not just Harley Davidson. So thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next one.